Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Planner Lover. My name is Megan and today we're going to be planning in my social media planner for June 8th through the 14th using this like Masquerade-ish, ACOTAR-ish kit from SammyLynnPlanning. So this is the Masquerade like ACOTAR themed kit. This was I think last year's or 2024. I don't remember when it was, but it was a kit from her monthly bundle. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I love it and I thought it would be perfect for that like ACOTAR theme because I'm doing like book theme in my planners this month. So this is the glitter. And then we have the, oh, what are these called? The journaling pieces. And then I love these boxes. They're like the shattered glass. So pretty. My camera's having trouble focusing because of all of the glitter here. But we have the deco, days of the week. As you can see, I did end up using the days of the week from here, but it's fine. Then we have the washi, and then the element wash strips, and then we have the what are these called? The die cuts. So we have guitar, we have a sword, we have a candle. I was like, whatever this is, it's a candle. We have a mask, and then we have what I like to call Race and Farah, or Reese. That is the glitter, by the way, that you're seeing on his face, not the tattoos or anything, but there is that. So that is the kit. I am on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use this code Megan20, it'll save you some money off of your order and you will receive my freebie. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully this isn't crooked on camera, but if it is, I'm so sorry. As you guys can see, I am in a different background because I am currently in Orlando and we are, Mom is in the background over here, so if you hear her crinkling around, it's because she's crafting while I am editing or filming. So she's having a good old time over there. I'm having a good old time. We're just crafting and living it up, you know. Whoops. Didn't want to do that, but oh well. Too late now. Okay. I'm gonna need my way out, but yes, so that's why there is a different background than you guys are used to, and hopefully the lighting is okay. All right, hopefully that was better. Sorry, I like am in a new area of filming. Like I'm filming on a black tabletop desk, so if the camera is shaking, then that would be why, because I am not used to this filming location. So many apologies if it's like all shaky and stuff, because it's not what I wanted it to do. But hopefully by this time next week or the week after, I will have more of a steady desk. But right now it's kind of just this makeshift one that I have, which is okay, but I'm kind of like standing up while I'm doing this because I can't see what I'm doing if I am kneeling, and I don't really have a good way to film this. So sorry, but I am having a lot of fun with putting this together, so at least there's that. Okay, where's my whiteout? I just had it. It's right here. I really like the colors in this. I think it's super, super pretty. And I'm having a lot of fun playing with this kit. So I think it's going to be really nice once I finish it. Oh gosh. Let's do that. I'm going to white all this out, because I think right here is where I'm going to put my SammyLynnPlanning post for the week. Oh, oops. Duh, you missed this one. Alright, there we go. That looks pretty cool. And let's see the element wash strips. I think I'm going to use this one for right here, and maybe one right here. Let's do that. And then a bigger one right here. And this guy. Okay, and then I wanted to add some of the boxes. So let's do that. Let's see. Definitely want them. Should I put them here? I should put them right here. And then add like, oh, wait. Let's add this to the background because it kind of matches with the boxes that's already in there. What do you think? I like that. That looks pretty cool because it kind of looks like a continuation of that box too, which is what I wanted. Okay, then we're gonna put this one right here, and let's put that one there, and her dress there. I think she should go right here for that one. Okay. That's really pretty. Let's put that one like right there. And then have this one here with this. Whoops. I like that. That looks really pretty. Okay, should we have something over, oops. Should we have something over here? Probably not. Although, I could put this box. You know what? I think I will. So let's move this guy. Okay. Oh no, I ripped it. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. Let's do that and then have this piece like underneath both. I can do it this way so that no one will know that I ripped that piece. Like this. And then lift that up. There, see, now you can't tell that I ripped it unless you knew. Okay, we have one more box, so I might as well just use it. And I'm thinking of putting it right here because it's not like I need this section over here, so we're gonna do that. That's perfect. I really like that. And I have a kit that I'm using for SammyLynnPlanning for my Hobonichi weeks for this week, so I can use the leftovers for this. All right, days of the week are probably the next thing I should do. I meant to talk to you guys about everything, but I got sidetracked and distracted, so let me talk to you about that while I'm doing the days of the week here. So my sister and dad are in Vancouver as I speak. They are actually, today is Thursday the 4th, and they are about to get on the ship and go on the cruise because their cruise is the 4th. They left on Sunday to do a little bit of sightseeing in Vancouver before their cruise on Thursday of last week. So they are very excited. I've been seeing Allison's adventures. She's been sharing an album with me on her photos so that I can see what she's been up to, and it looks really, really cool. She's been having a great time. Okay, very much want, sorry if you just heard the air conditioner kick on, by the way. It's very loud in here. I definitely want to use these shattered glass pieces because I think they are really pretty. So, trying to put as much as I can in the spread. Sorry if you heard Mom sigh. She is upset about something that she was doing, some craft something. So, but anyway, they are in Vancouver. They are very excited and ready to begin their cruise. So that's super fun. I'm very, very excited for them. I think they're gonna have a great time. Alright, we are almost done with this spread, you guys. It did not take very long at all to do this, which is super cool. I don't want to do a sparkly one there. I think we're gonna do a regular one here and a regular one here and a sparkly one there. That looks pretty cool. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my SammyLynnPlanning post right here, and I'll add another box just in case I need it. And then I think I'm gonna add just one checklist box right here. You know, maybe I'll do both just because, you know, there's never any harm in adding a checklist box. I don't know, you guys, I feel like this looks pretty darn cool. I really like that. It's very sparkly, and I think that's very much my theme. I just dropped my tweezers on the floor, so that was fun. It's very much my theme for this, and I always never, wow, that was very much the opposite of what I was trying to say. I almost never use all of the kit in a planner spread anyway. You know what I'm thinking? I might put the candle and the sword on here because they're not in the deco. Plus, it'll take up some space. I don't know if I want that candle though, but I can take this candle and put it in here. Oops. Where should I put it? But where to put you? Please tell me you guys know what I was just referencing, because if you don't, I'm going to be really sad. It's not from Akatar though. Ooh, should I put the sword like that? Where should I put it? Could I put it like that? Let's do that. I like that better. There we go. Okay. How did I say I was going to do this? Like this? That's how we're going to do it though. I don't think it was supposed to be like that, but that looks pretty cool. Good job, me. I should put the mask on here, because there's another mask in the other spread. Should I do it? I kind of want to put it here. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right there. That looks really cool. What do you guys think of this spread? I like it. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media spread using the Masquerade / Akatar kit from SammyLynnPlanning. I absolutely love how this turned out. I know that the background is weird and I know that the setting is weird, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos in this planner, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and craft on. Bye guys.